Welcome to SIG-Spark. Find your spark of knowledge with SIG-Spark.
Hi, thank you for being with me today. On this video, I'm going to cover 5 different ways to take a screenshot on Windows. I don't know what do you think about this, but I believe it's a really important skill to know. I myself consider that it's really important to know how to take a screenshot anytime you want. Without the need to download any other additional program on your computer. Sometimes you just need to capture something on that precise moment, like a piece of information that you don't want to lose, right? It could be like a confirmation number or maybe a promotional offer that you recently found, or maybe you just need to document like a step-by-step process, something that is new to you on that moment, and you will need to do it again later on. Or maybe you just want to explain to others how to do specific tasks on a specific program, and you need those screenshots as a guide, right? But well, it doesn't matter what it is, if it is one of those options or if it is something else. What I do believe is that it's really important to know that skill. So without any more delays, let's see those 5 different ways to do that. Okay, so first the print screen button. I'm going to this website as an example, factslides.com. And I'm going to take a screenshot over there with the print screen button. So I click this button, then I go to the Windows with the Windows button and look for Paint. Okay, now Control V to paste the image. Okay, and now I'm going to save the image in a PNG format for a better resolution, and then I'm going to write the name of the file. Okay, save. And now we can access our screenshot. This mode takes one full screenshot of the full screen and it's not saved automatically. So it's like a downside compared with the other methods that we're going to see, because it's a little bit more slower. Okay, now Windows key plus print screen. We're going to press those keys together. There it is. We can see that click because for a moment it's dark. That means the screenshot was taken. Okay, there it is too. Now we're going to check our photos or screenshots in pictures and screenshots. Okay, we can see the full screen screenshot over there. It is saved now. This method is faster than the first one, as you can see, because it saves the screenshot automatically on the screenshots folder that is located on the pictures folder. Okay, the next one, snipping tool. Okay, so we're going to press the Windows key and search for the snipping tool app. We type snipping tool, then we click on new, and we get several options. First, we're going to try with the full screen snip. Okay, I click in there, so it takes a full screenshot of the screen. Okay, we're seeing the screenshot. Okay, now we're going to try with the second option. Again, snipping tool, new, and the next one is going to be the window snip. Then I click window snip and I select the window. Window 1, window 2, this one. Okay, so there it is. The full screenshot of the window, just the window. Okay, now we're going with the rectangular snip. That is the next one that I'm going to select. Rectangular
snip. There it is. Okay, so I will select that part, and there is the screenshot just taken just from that part. Okay, and last but not least, the freeform snip. So, as the name says, it is a freeform screenshot. There it is. Okay, so basically, if I can save that specific screenshot if I want with my own personalized name, but we can also find those screenshots in here. If we go to pictures, screenshots, we will see every screenshot over there. Okay, there is window, full screen, and the freeform.
This method and the next one are similar. With the snipping tool, you can be more selective about the type of a screenshot you want to make.
Okay, so snip and sketch. Basically, it's going to be the same, but we are going to use a shortcut, Windows key, Shift and S. Then we're going to select freeform, in this case for the example, and that's it. Once it's selected, it's going to be automatically saved in pictures and screenshots folder. Windows game bar. We're going to press down the Windows key plus G, the letter G. That will open up the Windows game bar. Then take a screenshot, and that's it. It's going to be instantaneously saved. Then we go there and we can see the captures or screenshots on that folder. They are all going to be stored there.
With this method, you can get a really good quality of the image of the screenshot and is instantaneously saved on a folder. Thank you so much for being with me today. And please like if you haven't done it yet and subscribe. Also, please stay tuned for more content about technology, guides, and tutorials, and be aware of the most trending and important topics of the moment. See you soon. Bye bye.